I haven't vlogged that much like face to face, but you're gonna get a lot of that tonight. Tonight is New Year's Eve. I thought I would show you guys my hotel room because I don't even know how this happened, but I got one just for myself. It has 2 beds in it and it has an ocean view. What? So yeah, I thought I would just show you guys that. I'm super grateful about it, but I want to show you guys it. So we're gonna start over here. So this is the door. See it? Great. Look at these curls. I never have curls here. Okay, so I'm standing right in front of the door. You turn around and this is the door. Great. This right here is my cousin's right here. So this is the fireplace. Wow, my Converse, just chilling. Converse are my favorite shoe, by the way, of all time. Then here's the coffee table with all my gifts that I got yesterday, because we kind of did like Christmas exchanging yesterday as well. That's the bar that I'm obviously not using. The view, which I will get closer to in a second. All my clothes. Like that's my outfit for tonight right there. Those are just the coats that I brought. Some little slipper socks. And I bought that yesterday. This is a bralette that I got. Look how cute. Is that not darling? Got it from Victoria's Secret. Isn't it cute? I love it. Okay. Those are my boots. Okay, so then that's the front door. This is right here. Here's the bathroom. Okay, turn the light. This lighting is a little too good to the fact that like, here's another like zoom mirror. And then my makeup and stuff. Curling iron straightener, which I didn't even end up using. Here's the bathroom. That's drying. Here's a bath. Shower. Me again. And we're back this way. Okay, so back this way. I've been sleeping in this bed and putting all the pillows from this bed on this bed. Here's like the little desk area. This hotel is known for golf. That's what it's known for. My family loves to golf, so that is a photo of, he's kind of hot actually. Here's another, okay, now here's the big deal, okay? The view. Let's pop this sucker open. The beach is right there. Wow. Look at that.
Hey, check, I'll wait for you right here.
So right now we're gonna go to Carmel, which is not too far from here, and I'm really excited about it. So I will show you guys that. Stay tuned. This is like blinding me. Oh, hi.
What's up? Oh, hi. We love animals. I don't understand what that is.
Another dog. Hi guys, I just wanted to introduce you to Melissa. Melissa used to work here at Pebble Beach, and now she's retired and you own your own business now, right?
I do.
Yeah, so right now I'm going to show you her hotel room, because it's the suite.
It is awesome.
Yeah, and this is the view that when you're walking there. Isn't it beautiful?
It's gorgeous.
So gorgeous. You're gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
I'm going to do her makeup later and we'll film it.
Takes one to know one.
Okay. Do you think we should film me doing your makeup later?
We can.
Yeah, me and my aunt are gonna do her makeup later. I'm so excited.
Me too.
I think, and then it's New Year's Eve right now, so we're gonna be doing the countdown tonight. It's gonna be fun. Look at this view. Isn't that cool? Okay, weird fact about me, I love sparkling water, but I prefer like these type of drinks to be like flat. Am I crazy? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do like a get ready with me. but like a half-assed one because I gotta make this quick. Because I gotta be out of here at 6:30 and it's 6:17, so that's how this is going. First, I'm gonna brush my hair because it was windy today. I'm gonna take these out so I don't cause severe injury. I feel like that would actually be my worst nightmare, combing an earring. I can't. I try to start at the bottom to brush my hair, but you know, I'm in a rush, so ripping out my hair feels like a better option currently. Okay, so I'm on Accutane, right? My lips are constantly chapped, like every 5 seconds chapped. So I use this, I've used Carmex, I've used EOS, I've used literally the chapstick brand. I've used every single chapstick. This is the best one. It smooths over the dryness, but then also gives me some color. It's CoverGirl Oh Sugar in the color 1. Come on, please just do me a solid and focus, please. In the color 1, Cupcake. So I'm not doing like an overlining thing on my lips right now. I'm not even trying to look cute right now. It's just overlined because I just cake on the chapstick or the lipstick or whatever it is, the lip balm. Hold on. I'm like trying to plug this in and also not get electrocuted at the same time. Forgot my vlog camera like an idiot. We're here! Yay! Okay, so first of all, forgot my vlogging camera, so this is what it's gonna do for now. This is my New Year's outfit. Hoop earrings from Target. This coat, like furry coat from Topshop, or no, H&M. This is from a little boutique my aunt got me. These trousers are from Forever 21. These boots are from Forever 21. They're super cute. And yeah, this is the New Year's outfit. Right now, we are doing Melissa's makeup. Look at her lashes. Focus. Wow, look up. Look how long. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna see her reveal. She can't see from this far away, so we have to go close. Ready?
Oh my word. Look at those. There's like spiders on my face. They're so pretty. Billy.
Good morning, guys. I'm off to an early start this morning. 8 a.m. We're gonna go eat some breakfast, get some coffee. I think we're going to just walk around the hotel today. It's a really, really cool resort. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. So this is where like everybody plays golf. There's the lobby over there. There's where we ate breakfast. So right now we're walking around like the little village part. Look at all these beautiful flowers and stuff. So cute, right? How flippin' stunning is this? What the actual heck? That's my Aunt Leslie. Okay, so right now we're walking to
Pebble Beach Club. Sorry, the Beach Club.
The beach club.
And we might go swimming if the water's warm.
I doubt it, considering we're wearing literally beanies.
No, but we could put our bathing suits on, but if the heater's on, but sometimes it might not be on.
Look at this view.
Good view.
So pretty.
We could take kayaks out today if you want.
Can we please?
Yeah.
Look at the ducks. Hey sexies, what are you up to? Okay, you're slanted right now, but that's the best I can do. You're literally bouncing on a rock. I love this weather so much. This whole place is just stunning. My aunt got married here, and I really want to get married here one day. I mean, just look at it. You should know about me. I like love cold weather. I don't know why. I just